Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to delete saved passwords from your Google account. So if you've saved passwords to your Google account, there may come a time when you want to remove them, all right? So open Chrome, click on the three dots icon over here, go to settings. On the left panel, go to autofill and passwords. Go to Google Password Manager, all right? If it's not showing up over here, just scroll down and it should also be available right over here. All right. So click on it. It will open up a new tab. Here you can click on individual websites. For example, I would like to remove my passwords from this specific website. Click on it. It might ask for some security checks like your passkeys or password, right? So just keep that in mind. From here, you can now click on the delete button. All right. So, but don't click on share. Just click on delete, and you're good to go. It shows in your password deleted, and you can do this for other several websites as well. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. So deleting saved passwords from your Google account is very quick and helps keep your saved login information up to date. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.